solve bug in the assignment. Let's just go straight to the word, to the code. So first you can look in here and you see about the given code, and you see that although that we just got like a more program, but like the name is a little bit really tough to like reading, because like we got like about task individual, task work, task individual, task work. It's a little bit like messed up in this one, and it also got about a duplicate about the algorithm. So you can see in here, although that it's changing about the name, task individual, task work, but like the algorithm is like, the algorithm is exactly the same, just changing the number. So in this case, I'm just create about a new one, which is much more like suitable in about the industry. So let's just go and see in here. And the first thing I create about the instance of the manager class in this one, and I'll create about a while true within the loop. If if the user types something wrong, it still continue to like working, and it's not showing any error, and it's also not break out about, it's not break about the terminal. And in here I'm exactly just like display task or category in this one, and it call about the display class, display task in the task manager. So yeah, everything in here is exactly the same, and except like I'm create, instead of using about you can see in here about the string or individual is new. I'm create about the first, create about a new string with derived that access modifier, and then call it about task personal, task work, task family, in order to start about the element of each of the personal, work, and family. So, and I also got about display rabbit void display, so like display it in outside in the terminal, and it's exactly the same in this one. So the about the if else statement in this case is just like about make your, about the list is more beauty. So yeah, and in here I'm just changing a little bit about add task in here, and using about the script key. If the key is got like about the personal, the person we exactly we call about change task to array with two parameter in this one. So change task to array. So change task to array. So this one. So this is about the change task to array. I got like about the two parameter, because the first thing I'm taking instead but about the single element, I'm taking about into the array, and then the string task content, and then plus one, because like we want to add one more to the work, one more work in the list, because like you already know that the length, because we will add more things, so the length of the array will exactly just plus one. And so in this one we want to add more in the array, so yeah, we take like plus one this case. And also create about the for loop in order to like go through every element in the array and store into the new array. So in here we take like about the length of the task array, and then store about the element in the of new array, which is like the new value bit into like a new task array in this one. And if we want to add, if we want to add in the end of the list, so we need to like minus one, because like you already know like the index array is starting at 0, so we need to minus one, and then I'm exactly just return it. So let's just run it. Personal, and then type something. So you see that exactly just got the same at the given card, but it's much more like shorter and easy to read. What about I want to type again like personal, and then read it? Okay, so what about work? Okay, family. So you can see that's running working. So let's just go straight. Let's just comment this one, click, and then go straight to like the next one, which is like the final cost.cs. So let me just uncomment off this one. It's like a little bit too long, and I'm also changing a little bit like before, because like the given code, original code I have created, it got like a minor mistake, but I'm just figure out about a new way to do it. So yeah, I will explain how this will be working right away. So Yeah. So the first thing I'm doing like similar to the thing I have given you before, like about the public class task, which it got like about three variable with the name, date, and then the due days, which is using about the date times, and is important, and taking about create about the constructor of that last, which is taking about three parameter name, due date, and is important, and this is like we just store everything into the variable in this one and create about a new class with a category and create about the name in this one, the variable name, and then we just create about a new list because like the task wanted to create about the list instead of array. So we just create a list in this case. So the list in here is store element of task into list with which the list name a task. So yeah, we called in this one class, we called about the class of the task in here, and then we call about the list variable name to task in this case, and then call it again about the constructor in this one, and create about the new about the empty class with it taking about the task in here. So it was like this task we storing about the new element, and then this task will exactly just call up in here, and then which will go back in here, and yeah, in here I'm creating about the method of the add task. So I'm calling about the task dot add task with a like we got like about the function in the list. So we got like add, remove, insert, something like that. So yeah, I'm just call it in this one and also using it, which is add more thing into the first thing we got like empty list. So right now we add more thing, add more element. So we got like about one element this one. And all about remove that, although similar, just move. And also what about the move task? So move task is exactly just the first thing we need to like remove that element, and then the next thing like got like about the index of that position and then insert it to the new one. So in here I'll just create about the move task and then removing it and then insert it. So yeah, and this one is like create about the task planner. So the task planner is just like showing to the terminal. So yeah, I'm creating about the list in this case, calling about the category class in this one, and name it, the list name is like categories, and then the task planner. I'm also created using the same method, which is about create an empty list and then calling about add category, remove category, and then print task in this case. So you can see in here we got like exactly we just okay. So yeah, I'm just like putting, let me just fix a little bit bugs because I forgot to delete like k number 5 in this one, and then change it to 5, 6, and then 7. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it the way I'm fixed, but because like the first time I could create it. Okay, so yeah, let's just move back. So I'm creating about add category, remove category, and then the last thing like print task with it will show about the list, like about the list table of what we are adding and how we are removing like removing the element of that. So yeah, I got like about a task planner, and in here I'm creating about it for each to get like to go through every element into the category, and then write about the category access into the category list to take the name of that, and then go to like each element in the category the task to take that thing, and then the task name plus like the task due date string, and then also using about if condition to check that user one is like user one that element to be important or not. And in order to highlight it, I'm exactly just making about a foreground color to red. So to like highlight it, that's it, the really important. And reset about the color again, and then consolidate. And this is about my menus. We got like a first one, we got like add category, delete category, add task, delete task, move task within like not this one. I will remove it and then changing 6567, which is like move task between category and then print task, and also we got like a logout function, and everything exactly with your user type exactly with your change to like the integers because we want to use like about the switch k in this one. So yeah, and enter category name of your source type like case one, and call about a category, create calling about a category constructor, category name, and then add this one into the planner because like we already create this one. Planner, new task planner, because like we don't want to type like planner. We don't want to type like task planner dot add category is really long, so we decided to just create about a new variable and store that thing inside there. So yeah, case two also is the same. So but like I'm adding a new thing like because like if that thing is not found, so yeah, we cannot remove that thing and it remain unchanged. So what if about case three? Case three is exactly which is like adding about the category of that name. So yeah, add task about the day and checking is important or not. Console read line and then change to lower because like if you start typing it like uppercase or lowercase doesn't matter. It's still storing about the data. And yeah, also calling a function add task into the category class. And then if it's not found, then it's showing about the category not found. K4 is exactly just like what is K4? Okay, so delete task. So delete task is just like delete like the thing you add in the category. And also using the same algorithm, case 5 is about the move task between categories. So yeah, it's like so it's great, it's a little bit complicated in this case. So the first thing we need to get like about the sort of the category name, like the like the source of that name and then the destination. So yeah, it exactly just stored about the user input into the source category name and then the source category dot planner dot category. So it exactly just go to the variable planner I have mentioned before, and then go to the categories, and then go to file it, category list, and then go to file the name. In this case, I'm using about Lambda because we got like just about a simple task, so I'm using Lambda on this one. And then checking whether name equal to like the short category name. If it's not equal, then exactly just showing about a short category not found. And checking whether the short name if not short name is not new, so we go to the next one, like enter destination category name, and then also using the same function, same algorithm, and then checking if destination category not new, and then enter the task name, category line, and then find again. So it exactly just find something like about the if inside the if statement. So like yeah, and then if in the case 6, it exactly just showed about to show to us about the whatever things we had typed in there, and then the case 7 is like break out of the program. So yeah, let's just run it. I will show you. So you can see in here we got like a menu with the add category, delete, and something like that. So let's just run it. So yeah, let's just type hello one, and then I want to like print task. Okay, so we got like hello one, right? And then I want to add more category with the hello two, and then I want to add task in the hello one, and then typing something like hi one, and then month 2004, and then I want this to be like important, and then run it. Okay, you can see in here we got like about the category name with like about the add task in this one, which is like hi one A1004, and this is like important. So let's just go to the next one. I want to add more category like add task hello 2, and then high 2, and then 0802 2004, then note, and then print the task. So you can see like we got like two category with us followed by 2 tasks. And then what if I want to like move that between categories? So let me type like hello 1 and then hello 2 and then enter the task name, which is like hi 1. Okay, so let's just print task. So you can see that it's moving from before like a hello 1, it moved to like hi 1, it moved to hello 2 in this case. So it's moving, so it exactly changing. So what if I want to like delete the category? So category name hello 1, so and then print it again. So you can see that we got like remove about the hello 1 in this case. And what if I want to like delete task? So let's just like category name, which is hello 2, and then the task name is hi 2, and then I'm gonna just print it again. So you can see that the example just delete, and I will type like 7 example just like breakout. So I'm not using about the the defaults in the case to the switch case, because like I don't want like user like type something is not related to like a number. So if user type like K7, it is exactly I'm using about a return instead of break, because break is exactly just break and then go again to checking. So yeah, that's it.